Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to another video. So as I got my new job 2 weeks ago, I was already in San Francisco, which I'm working on a vlog for, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be traveling quite a bit, and so today I literally went to go pick up a new travel bag. As I went to go get it, I figured why not film what's in my travel bag of 2022, since I'm pretty much going to be traveling a lot more than I usually do. Literally, I would maybe go somewhere once a year, but now I'm going multiple places. In 2 days, I'm heading over to Boston for ODSC East, so I am going to be there. If you guys are going to be there as well, let me know and I'd be down to hang out. But let me show you guys what's in my travel bag, what I usually travel with. Just go over everything individually. So the bag that I went to go get literally today, April 17th, 2022, I went to go get the Peak Design Everyday Backpack. This is the all black 20-liter version. Just wanted to go with something super simple, but after watching a couple of reviews from MKBHD and Carl Conrad, I decided that this was the bag that I was gonna go with. It's super sleek and highly functional. As a content creator and someone who also does photography on the side, I needed a bag that I could travel with that carries literally everything and is super functional as well. I've had many different bags and different accessories to carry my camera equipment with me, but I think this is going to be the one. I'm gonna be giving it a test this week at Boston and see how it does, but I think this one's gonna hold up fairly well. So let's get into the first thing, the laptop that I'm going to be carrying with me. That fits also very, very well. When I was looking it up, it said that 13 and 15-inch laptops fit in here. I'm carrying with me the 16-inch M1 Max. This is my go-to work laptop. I even have my own personal laptop as well. That is the M1 Max, not fully spec'd. It's got a 1 terabyte drive and 64 gigs of RAM. I literally do like everything on this thing, whether that be photo editing, video editing, browsing the web, streaming off of it. It does everything I need it to. It's super, super fast and handles everything I need. So this is the beast that I'm gonna be carrying with me. In the compartment back here as well, there's a spot that you can carry a couple little things that you wanna access quickly. So far, I'm carrying my Airpods Pro. So this is our quick and easy earbuds that connects to my iPhone and or MacBook. This is if I want to go in ear, and it's also in a little Nomad leather case. The other thing I'm carrying is also just my passport, just in case. So that's it for this compartment, and this is where everything else sits. The main compartment is secured by this magnetic little clip. All you have to do is pull it up, pull it down, and you have access to everything. There's no zippers, which is new to me, but very, very nice. And there's a 3-layer system here. You have these little Velcro attachments that can go inside. It becomes this little layered system. So you have your top layer here that you can access through the top, and then you have everything on the side that you can quick access because there are zippers on the side. This is meant to be a photography bag. So, you can just flip it off onto the side and then quick access things. You don't even have to take the bag off of your back to do so. So what I'm carrying on the top are my headphones of choice. Right now, these are the Sony WMX3, whatever the whole model name is. I'll have it like thrown down here really quickly. I've had these for about 3 years now, I wanna say, 3 or 4 years, whenever they came out. I got these. Noise canceling is great, sound quality is great. I really only ever use these for when I'm on the go on the plane to cancel out all the noise and just listen to music, podcasts, or any videos I'm watching. I never use these for editing. I usually go for some studio quality headphones to edit, since I want to hear the audio as raw as it can be. So these are just for listening on the plane. The other things that I'm carrying up here is going to be my MagSafe charger. It's kind of all bundled up, but it also has an extension cord on it, so I'm always carrying this. And then I also travel with, this is a Satechi block that has 2 USB-Cs and 2 USB-A connections, and attached to it are my Apple Watch charger and a MagSafe charger. I want to look for a little bit of a cleaner and smaller solution for charging right now. Hit me up if you have any suggestions, but this is what I'm carrying as far as my charging for both my Apple Watch and my iPhone. The other thing that I'm carrying off onto the side, which I will probably show you through the side here, so let's go through the side. So we're just gonna flip this over, get a little bit of ASMR action. I don't know if that was gonna catch through, but as you can see here on the side, I'm carrying my Joby Gorillapod. So I use this on the go when I don't want to carry a full tripod. Usually I don't. I use this both for vlogging as well as some quick shooting whenever I need to set it up on a desk, which I usually am at, but mostly vlogging for this guy. And you can see also here that you can kind of see that there's these little Velcro things that I was talking about. You can fold them in 3 different ways. So far I have them flipped up, so that way I can fit the Gorillapod snugly on this side, and then on the other side is where all the other camera equipment goes. So let me show you the other side. Before we switch to the other side, in this pocket right here, I am carrying a Samsung T7. This is a 2 terabyte drive. This is what I edit all my videos on. I don't ever put them on the internal drive. I always stick them on this, organize them between A-roll and B-roll, and then edit off this guy. Clears up a lot of memory on my internal storage, so I leave that for my photos. And then this just, you know, I can easily back up from this drive as well. So that's what I'm carrying in this pocket, and really nothing in this pocket. So on the other side, if we want to flip it, you can see this is the triple layer system. So up here, there really is nothing. This is where my chargers were sitting. On the bottom row would be the Sony A7C, but I'm currently recording this video with it. So I put my Sony A7 Mark III in here as a replacement or as a placeholder for it. But that's generally where that would sit. So it's sitting right here in this compartment. And as you can see, it fits fairly well. On the bottom are both of the lenses that I usually carry, which is an 85mm, what would be the Tamron 17-28 2.8 lens, but that's what I'm currently recording this video on. So both of those lenses would go through the bottom, and inside of this pocket here, I am just carrying a couple batteries in case they all go out, as well as the charger. And then up here, I'm just holding a pen just in case I need to sign anything on the plane or at the event. And so that is what is in my 2022 travel bag. I am going to be, like I said, testing this out in Boston and seeing how this works. I really do think this is gonna be one of the more functional bags that I carry with me in terms of carrying everything I need for work as well as my camera equipment. So that's going to do it for this video. If you guys have any other questions on this bag, about my kit, please do let me know in the comments section. Everything that you saw in this video will also be linked in the description. So if you are curious and you want to buy something that you saw, you can definitely go down there and check it out. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.